In this video, we investigate the furthest down the line update to the Tesla portable application. The application is at the focal point of the Tesla possession experience, permitting proprietors to open and begin their vehicle, control charging and environment, and substantially more. One of the essential enhancements in the new update is to the Charging tab, which presently shows the piece of the battery that is inaccessible because of cold temperatures. The tick blemishes on the charging slider are presently consistently apparent, gaining it more straightforward to follow charging headway. The update likewise incorporates another route highlight, permitting drivers to see the whole course on their versatile application, lessening the opportunity of disarray out and about. Notwithstanding, numerous Tesla drivers are as yet sitting tight for the execution of the Waypoints highlight, which would take into consideration middle-of-the-road quits during an outing. Tesla is additionally advancing supportability with its versatile application, carrying out the Drive on Daylight highlight. This component permits sunlight-based charger proprietors to utilize overabundance ability to charge their electric vehicle, advancing a more eco-accommodating way of life. Remain tuned for additional updates from Tesla and their imaginative way to deal with manageable transportation.